Let me talk it. So, you take your cell phone or you take whatever voice recorder you have and you talk into that voice recorder the way that it is. Not the way that the old is, the way that the new is. You say, I am so pleased and happy that I stopped smoking. I am a non-smoker. This is amazing. You talk as if it is so. Step number 1, talk it. Step number 2, feel it. Feel how wonderful that must feel to be able to taste food again, to be able to not cough in the morning, to not be able to feel so terrible health-wise. Feel how good it feels to have changed, to be becoming, to be, not becoming, I still make mistakes, to be a non-smoker. Because what will our brain do when we start doing this? The brain goes, hey mate, I'm going to sort out this process and I will make it so. I'm here to tell you, please trust me, I've been through it. Trust me when I tell you that your brain will sort out the how-to portion. Your brain will sort out how to change for you. That new image, talk it, feel it, and see it. Take Photoshop. Take whatever you can, whatever image changer there may be on the market that you can use. You take yourself and you already know the old is 40 pounds overweight. In Facebook, you make yourself, you make an image of you without the 40 pounds. You make that image, and that image goes onto that mirror. If you look now, you see each and every morning, each and every time you look in the mirror, you see that skinnier version of you. You see the new. The same goes for all the other stuff. You see the non-smoker, you see the non-drinker, you see whatever it is that you want to change. You see the new. You have the image of the new in your head all the time. Do not go back to the old. Do not see the old anymore. Because we move towards what we think about. The old will now repel you away. You will go, I don't want that anymore. I want the new.